Some of you might have seen someone ask me a question to say, if the demand of Mahr is 50k, is it a red flag or a green flag? What did I say? Red flag. And people in the comments were like, why? Look, I tell you, Mahr is a gift. It's a gift determined by the bride and should be communicated to the groom. They should give it, or he should give it to her as a gift. He doesn't have to give it immediately, he can give it later, and sometimes she can even waive it later on. It's not a selling price, it's not a buying price, it does not say much about who you are. So in wealthy communities, it would naturally be a little bit more, depending on the urf or the norm. So if the norm of a community is 50k, by all means 50k. If the norm of the community is something, then less, because make it easy for people to marry. But generally, 95% of the public, a youngster in his 20s getting married does not have 50k. Imagine he's going to enter into marriage with a mentality that I'm in debt. What success do you want him to achieve in life? It's not a bride price, as they say. So usually you look at what is known as Mahrul Mithl. That's a sunnah. Look at the girls of the same family and what did they get? So when I got married, I paid £100, £100 Mahr. And I wouldn't trade my wife for the world, I promise you. £100. And what have I given her from that time to now? I don't even know the figure, she doesn't. I don't think there is anything she's ever asked me for that I haven't done. I'm just letting you know. And what did I pay? £100. And I promise you, it's not because people say, oh, this guy's a simp. Come bro, let's show you. I didn't even know the meaning of simp until they used it on me. And I felt that the guy talking is less, let me not get into that debate. But anyway, but to be honest with you, to be good and kind, and to be kind to those who've served you, they've been there for you through thick and thin. When I started my life, I guarantee you, if I wanted to marry people, they probably would have said no, not at all. So all those who might be interested later on when you're a successful man, please understand they don't belong in your life. That's all. Do you know why? They would never have sacrificed if they were put into your life 20 years earlier, the way the one who's there has sacrificed. You just need to understand this. And so therefore, the amount given doesn't confirm whether you're going to be happier or not. So what do you want? If you're in there for money, you're going to say 50k, get a divorce, another 50k, get another divorce. Before you know it, I've got 500k, now I can go and marry properly whoever I want. It's not a business. It's not that. The idea is I'm going to marry someone, token amount. What is it? It is like a down payment, in my explanation, to say from today onwards, I'm responsible for all your expenses. It's on me. So from today onwards, this is the first amount. If you ever need any money, come to me and inshallah, I'll try and, help you for as long as it's reasonable. That's what it is, if you look at it from that angle. So there's nothing fixed. And I would say that the more understanding you are of the situation of the guy getting married, and also the guy should be understanding of the family he's getting married into, and then you determine a figure that's, easy, inshallah, bi'idhnillah. Some people say, 1 million riyal, I seen this in writing, which is payable if you divorce me. That also is against the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. I understand what they're trying to achieve, but then it's toxic. I'm entering into a slavery agreement. I mean, I can't get out of it, because if I want to get out of it, I got to pay $1 million. And what they do, they run you into a khula, and they run you into something disastrous where if anything goes bad, they never ever give you the talaq until you squeeze it out of them, because they don't want to issue it. They're going to have to pay you $1 million. So there's a lot of negativity in that. Let's go easy, simple ways, and Allah make us, inshallah, successful in our marriages.